In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Salesforce org quickly and efficiently. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Our first step involves navigating to the Salesforce website and logging in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice an option labeled Quick Settings. Go ahead and click on this option as it serves as a gateway to some of the key functionalities within Salesforce, including Setup. Selecting Quick Settings will lead you toward the Setup section. Clicking on this link will open up a broader array of tools available for your organization. Here's an important tip. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different settings you'll see in this section. There are plenty of tweaks you can make to optimize your workflow, enhancing the way you use Salesforce every day. Next, let's direct our attention to the search bar, typically labeled as Quick Find. This tool has been designed to help you locate features within Salesforce quickly and efficiently, saving you the hassle of scrolling through numerous options. You'll want to type the word Export into this search bar. As you begin typing, an export option should appear among the results. Click on it to move forward to the export page. In this stage, you'll find yourself on the export page, where the magic of data backup happens. Look for a button labeled Export Now and click on it. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of backing up your Salesforce data. Depending on the size of your data, this backup process might require a bit of patience. But trust me, once it's complete, you'll have the peace of mind that comes with knowing your data is securely backed up, preventing potential data loss and maintaining overall security. And just like that, you've successfully set up a backup of your Salesforce org. It's that simple. Remember, keeping regular backups is not just a recommended practice, but an essential one for maintaining data integrity and security within your organization. If this guide has been helpful and you feel more empowered by the knowledge, please consider sharing it with your team or anyone else who might benefit from these steps. They will surely appreciate the insight just as much as you have. Thank you for tuning in and following along with this tutorial. Your commitment to ensuring your Salesforce data remains intact is commendable. Should you have any further questions or need assistance with other Salesforce functionalities, don't hesitate to reach out. We appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time, take care and happy data managing.